This is my Haworthiopsis Limifolia plant. I was really surprised and happy when it suddenly sent out a flower stem. The flower stem is really long and tall in relationship to the size of the parent plant. The flowers it produces are quite small and delicate and not too showy. Unfortunately, most of them did not get pollinated and did not produce any seed pods. Eventually, one did. It took about 5 weeks for the seed pod to fully develop and mature. Leave the seed pod on the stem until it cracks open naturally. If you are concerned about the seeds spilling out, you may wish to place a mesh net over it, but if you monitor it, simply remove it when you see the first crack. I got 6 seeds from my first seed pod. They are quite tiny and black in color. I planted these seeds directly in soil. After sterilizing all materials, I placed the seeds on top and covered them with a thin layer of soil. I put them in closed bags to maintain a high humidity level and to protect them from bugs and insects. Disappointingly, only 1 seed germinated. I am not sure why I had such a low success rate. Here it is after 1 month. And here it is after about 2.5 months, at which point I have removed it from the closed bag as I felt it was strong enough to be exposed to a normal environment. Sometime later, another flower produced a seed pod and I got 7 seeds. This time I used the moist paper towel method to germinate the seeds. I placed the seeds on top of the moist paper towel in a container with a clear top and kept them above 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius. I had much better luck using this method, and 6 of the 7 seeds germinated. It was my experience that this method worked a lot better than planting the seeds directly in soil. After only 3 weeks, I decided to gently transplant them into starter containers, though I do recommend that you leave them grow a bit longer and get a bit larger and stronger. I put 2 seeds in each container, again with pre-moistened soil, and placed them in a closed container. Here they are after 2 more weeks. From these 6 seeds, 5 have survived. I will leave these seedlings in their closed bags for a lot longer, probably at least another month, until they are strong enough to be exposed to normal air and light. These plants are slow growers, but I find it fun and rewarding to grow them from my own seeds. Please support my channel by leaving a like and subscribing. Happy gardening, everyone! Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!